Hey guys, and welcome to my new video. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a Bitch with Brit episode 2. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about just 2021 in general, and just complaining and venting and doing all of that stuff, because who doesn't like to vent? As you can tell, I've already done like the top part of my eyes because I'm not good at multitasking, especially when it comes to talking and doing my makeup and trying to, look decent. So, alright, so I've got my coffee. If you need to grab a snack or a drink, do so, and then let's get on into the video. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to prime, and I'm going to go in with the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Smoothing Primer. This was like a popular, very, very loved primer back in the day. And I just haven't used it in a while, so I thought may as well get into it again. So for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty foundation. Mine's in the shade 190W. So 2021 was not the year for me. I think I spent at least like 90% of the year crying. I was so sad. It was just so stressful and like just frustrating, because I just felt like every single thing I did wasn't good enough. Like it was just constant like sadness. Like I don't know what to say. Like it was just like I was actually so fortunate and so lucky. At the start of the year, I ended up getting like approved for my own place, and I got a new job and absolutely love this job. Like it's honestly the best, the best job I've ever had in the industry that I'm in. So I do mining, like so FIFO, but I managed to find a place that is working in the head office. So, and then also on top of that, I have my own car. So okay, I'm looking real white. It's gonna look fine. We're going to, trust the process. So I'm going in with cream bronzer, and I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Tantour bronzer in shade Light. You know what? I find a very fun topic to talk about actually though, is vaccinations and who's getting vaccinated and who's not. Like for me, I don't care anymore. I'm so over it. At first I was like nervous and scared, and like it was just something that I wasn't into doing. But now it's like the third year in, and I'm just so over it. And I have gotten my first shot. I've gotten the shot because my job requires it, and I genuinely do enjoy my job, so I'm going to keep doing it. And yeah, I got my first one. I got the Pfizer. I'm fine. I ended up with a headache on Monday, so I got it done Saturday, and then that following Monday I had the worst headache of my life, and it went until Tuesday. But honestly, I was fine. There was nothing really bad. One of my best friends, she got the shot, and the same one, the Pfizer, and she was like terribly sick. So, but then she got the second one and she was fine. At the end of the day, it is what it is. Everyone's going to do what makes them happy and what they choose to do. I don't care. I don't care if you're going to come and comment and say anything about the vaccinations. I don't care. That's your opinion. Live your life, and I'm going to keep living mine. But yeah. And now for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Extra Shot like Coffee Concealer. Also, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I kind of dimmed down the lights a bit because I was looking a bit pasty. Anyway, back onto what we were talking about. I don't want to talk about COVID too much because I'm just sick of it. I'm so over it. I don't care anymore. It is what it is. But, you know, 2021 though, honestly. The saddest year. The saddest year of my whole entire life. And I can say that just wholeheartedly. But it's so weird how the saddest year of my life, like, good things happen, so I honestly don't know why, and I stress myself out. Like, I don't know how to be calm about situations. Like, honestly, any little thing and I'm like, oh my god, my life is over, shoot, you know, but it always turns out okay in the end, and I just need to tell myself that, like, I get anxiety like there's no tomorrow, for no reason at all. So the powder I just went in with was the Huda Beauty baking powder. Smells like old lady, but it's nice. I really like the product. It smooths, like it smooths out my pores and makes me look younger than I am. Guys, in 2022 I turned 30. I turned 30. It sucks. Honestly, the only thing I think I would get, you know, surgically or plastic, is under eye fillers, just because they're so like dented in and dark and puffy. But other than that, even though, you know, sometimes I don't like my non-existent top, my uneven look at it. Anyway, I'm happy to keep that, but then again, like if I lose weight, I'd probably, you know, lift up and look like a normal mouth. So now we've got that done, I'm just going to go in with the Makeup Revolution powder palette. I'm just going to go in with this colour right here. I feel like I'm running out of things to say. You know what? Let's just talk about the next subject. Amberlynn Reid. I am so intrigued by her because she is so, yeah, like I feel like I understand a little bit because like when I was younger, like in my early 20s, I feel like I had the same mentality as her, like when I was graduating high school and then after, but thankfully I'm growing out of that and spraying my face with the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better. Just want all that powder to sit in. But yeah, anyway, as I was saying, first of all, I don't think hate is justified. However, I think some part of me thinks she is very smart and she's doing this just for views. She knows like it's getting her money and she's just living her best life. But at the same time, I also think she genuinely believes that she's doing good, and this wifey persona is, it seems like they're giving up on her because, I don't know, she's just manipulating everybody. To be honest, I haven't really watched any of her videos lately. I've been kind of just going off what like drama channels, but it's not like a drama channel, it's not like a hater channel, it's like, you know, there's channels that they make the videos and they cut it down smaller and make it more tolerable than what the videos actually are. Yeah, I watch those types of videos. And honestly, I think our girls are, yeah, not gonna last if she keeps going down the road she's going down, but what do I know? I'm gonna quickly go in and do my eyebrows. I've got the Big Ego Tarte. As you know, this is my favorite eyeliner. Too lazy to get up and actually get a brush, so I'm gonna go in with this Morphe brush. It doesn't have anything else on it, so okay. Just going to yellow the brows. Let's ignore that. You know what my eyebrows look like? You know that filter on TikTok where it's like the bearded cutie or the bearded babe or whatever? Yeah, my eyebrows are looking like that. I should probably get that sorted anyways. Enough about my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm going in with the Kylie We're Going Shopping blush, Beautiful Peach. But speaking of TikTok, that's made me really happy lately. Yeah, so TikTok's just my go-to. Like, I've deleted Facebook and Instagram. I have kept Twitter. However, I hardly go on that. So my main like source of entertainment is TikTok and YouTube. Otherwise, I'm just working. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Glow Gleam Beam palette, and I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here. Absolutely love this palette. It is so affordable and yet so beautiful. Look at that. That is just so natural. I love a natural highlighter. I haven't really worn much makeup just because I've been so lazy. I'm like, I wake up at 3:34 to go to work. I don't know. I'm just lazy. But I really, this year, I just want to wear more makeup. I have a fair bit, you know, so like there's no excuse. And I don't want my products to go to waste. Like, I do wear makeup when I go out and do events. Who I think I am. I can go to events, like parties and shit. But ow, I keep knocking the earrings. And it hurts a little bit. I endure. Okay, I'm going to give my face one more spritz and then we're going to go on with lips. So this lip combo is my favorite. It's just so fun. I did discover it in like December 2021 because I wore it to my birthday, and ever since then I was like, oh my god, it's like my go-to. So it's the Koko Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Handbag Ho, and then I top it off with the Makeup Revolution lip balm. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, so we're at the end of this video. If you do like it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any ideas of what you want me to talk about, let me know. This one was like kind of just a ramble, made no sense, but we're here. If you want to know the products I've used on my whole face, it's all going to be down in the description below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!